Yesterday's demonstration was the nearest thing to an anti-Khomeini rally yet. The imposition of Islamic law here has started with an order to women to cover their heads in government offices. Many are furious. Only a minority in Tehran already follow the instruction. But the issue has provided an escape valve for many of the men here who for days have been spoiling for trouble. Led by a few Islamic zealots, several hundred men eventually attacked the protesters. Several of the women who stood their ground with considerable courage were stabbed as they chanted slogans for equal rights.
Most of these men can be relied upon to have a gun at home, and if they can't persuade the women and other sectors who oppose extremist Islamic beliefs, then the danger is that they will bring their weapons out onto the street and that there will be bloodshed again.
Moments later, guns actually did appear. The order was eventually restored by a mullah who expressed no sympathy for the women's position. Ayatollah Khomeini is determined to see an Islamic state at all cost. Resistance to it is already growing. With no impartial policing, the split in the revolution is already open and threatens to become wider and more dangerous. Jon Snow, ITN, Tehran.
A public high school in Ohio now apologizing for a controversial event called the Covered Girl Challenge. The school encouraged female students to wear hijabs for a day. Those are the traditional headscarves worn by Muslim women. Some of the parents were not pleased. Trace Gallagher live in our West Coast newsroom with the story. Trace?
Megan, the intent was apparently to celebrate diversity and promote open-mindedness, or as the school put it, quote, the Muslim Student Association is inviting all female students to participate in a Covered Girl Challenge, which will allow students to wear a headscarf for the whole school day.
In solidarity for the Iranian women who are suffering because of the hijab, and for me being oppressed, and for all other women who are oppressed, I'm going to burn this hijab, the symbol of oppression.